Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about installing solar panels at home, but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the first part of the solar panel installation process. We'll cover planning, choosing the right location, gathering the necessary tools, and installing the mounting system. If you're new to solar energy, don't worry. I'll explain everything step by step in a simple and easy to understand way. Let's get started. Why choose solar energy? More homeowners are switching to solar power every year. Solar panels can help reduce electricity bills, increase property value, and provide clean, renewable energy for many years. Although the initial installation costs money, most systems pay for themselves over time through lower energy bills. A properly installed solar system can also reduce dependence on the electrical grid. Step 1. Plan your solar installation. Before buying any equipment, spend some time planning your project. The first thing you need to determine is how much electricity your home uses. Look at your recent electric bills and check your average monthly energy consumption. This information helps you choose the correct size solar system. Installing a system that is too small won't produce enough power. Installing one that is too large may increase costs unnecessarily. Good planning saves both time and money. Step 2. Choose the best location. The location of your solar panels has a huge impact on their performance. In the United States and other countries in the Northern Hemisphere, south-facing roofs usually receive the most sunlight throughout the day. If a south-facing roof isn't available, east or west-facing roofs can still produce good results. Avoid installing panels where trees, chimneys, or nearby buildings create shade. Even a small amount of shade can reduce the performance of the entire solar system. Take time to inspect your roof during different times of the day to identify any shading issues. Step 3. Inspect your roof. Before installing solar panels, make sure your roof is in good condition. Check for damaged shingles, leaks, or weak areas. If your roof needs repairs, it's usually best to fix those problems before installing the solar system. Solar panels typically remain on the roof for 25 years or more, so starting with a strong roof is very important. Step 4. Gather the required tools and materials. Now let's prepare the tools you'll need. Depending on your installation, you may need a measuring tape, a power drill, socket wrenches, a level, roof mounting brackets, aluminum mounting rails, stainless steel bolts, safety gloves, safety glasses, a safety harness if you're working on a roof. Using quality tools makes installation easier and safer. Step 5. Safety first. Working on a roof can be dangerous. Always wear proper safety equipment. Use a strong ladder placed on stable ground. Never work on a wet or slippery roof. Avoid installation during rain or high winds. If you're uncomfortable working at heights, consider getting professional assistance. Your safety should always come before the installation. Step 6. Measure and mark the installation area. Now it's time to measure your roof. Use a measuring tape to mark the exact positions where the mounting brackets will be installed. Accurate measurements are extremely important. If the brackets are not properly aligned, the solar panels may not fit correctly later. Double-check every measurement before drilling. Remember the old saying, measure twice, drill once. Step 7. Install the roof mounting brackets. Carefully drill the mounting holes according to the manufacturer's specifications. Install the roof brackets securely into the roof structure. Use the recommended flashing or waterproof seals around every mounting point. Proper waterproofing helps prevent roof leaks for many years. Take your time during this step because these brackets support the entire solar panel system. Step 8. Install the mounting rails. With the brackets installed, attach the aluminum mounting rails. These rails hold the solar panels in place. Use a level to make sure the rails are perfectly straight. If the rails are uneven, panel installation becomes much more difficult. Tighten all mounting bolts securely while avoiding over-tightening. Once both rails are installed, inspect every connection carefully. Everything should feel solid with no movement. Before installing the solar panels themselves, inspect your work one more time. Check that every bolt is tight. Make sure the rails are level. Confirm that waterproof seals are properly installed. A careful inspection, now, can prevent expensive problems later. Coming up in part 2. In part 2 of this series, we'll install the solar panels onto the mounting rails, connect the wiring, explain MC4 connectors, discuss series and parallel connections, connect the inverter, and perform the first system test. If you don't want to miss it, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. I hope this beginner's guide helped you understand the first stage of installing solar panels at home. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and share it with someone interested in solar energy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 2.